back, everybody. So this is one of the single most common question types to come up on the official SAT, and I believe that one of the reasons they keep putting this on almost every test over the last few years is that just so many people get it wrong that they just know that if they put it on, just the vast majority are going to get it wrong. And so definitely this is one to know. What's also important to note is that for a lot of students who think that they know how to do this question, they also still get it wrong. And so you want to stick around to make sure that you're not one of those. Now, there's going to be two types of students that miss this question. The first type is going to be one that just has no idea what dimensional analysis is and just can't do dimensional analysis. The second type that misses this question, they know dimensional analysis, but they don't understand that they have to convert units and that the units that they're given are not the units that we actually want to use. And so you'll see how both of these work in just a second. So if we go ahead and start with the question, it says a bulldozer is digging a hole at a rate of 0.0002 cubic miles per day. Which of the following is closest to the amount of cubic meters the bulldozer is digging per minute? So the key to dimensional analysis, the most important part really, is just getting the right starting point. And in this case, our starting point is 0.002 miles cubed over 1 day. And the reason it's really important to get the right starting point is that everything else just kind of falls into place once we have this starting point. So for example, if I want to get rid of days, I'm going to put 1 day here on the top. And then I'm going to say 1 day is 24 hours. And so now I can cancel out days, and I've just converted the numbers into miles cubed per hour. To just take this another step further, I'm going to go ahead and say 1 hour here on the top is 60 minutes. And so then I can cancel out hours here, and now I have miles cubed per minute. So what most people who know dimensional analysis are going to do from here is they're going to take this unit conversion, 1 mile is equal to 1609 meters, and they're going to say I have miles on the top here, so I'm going to put 1 mile on the bottom here, and then I'm going to put 1609 meters on the top here. And unfortunately, this is where they go wrong, because miles and cubic miles are not the same, and meters and cubic meters are not the same. And so we actually have to convert the unit. It's sort of a red herring that they throw this at you thinking, and they make you think that this is what you need when in fact it's not what you need. So if you do 1 mile is equal to 1609 meters, then what we need to do is we need to cube both sides. And so we're going to end up with 1 mile cubed is equal to 1609 cubed meters cubed. And so to fix this last one here, I'm going to just put 1609 cubed meters cubed is 1 mile cubed, and now I can cancel out the miles cubed. And so from here, all we need to do is just go to our calculator, it's a Desmos, and to just go ahead and input the fractions as we had them here. And once we input the fractions, we get 578.5, and that means that answer choice C is going to be the correct answer. That being said, on all these questions, they always put a fool's gold answer choice as well. And so that's going to be A is going to be the fool's gold. And this is for those students who know dimensional analysis, but they didn't convert the units. So if I did 1609 over 1 here, then I get 0.0002 as my answer. And so they kind of gave that to us as well, just in case we didn't actually convert the units. So we want to be really careful with this. Now, that being said, if you have any questions at all, definitely be sure to comment, and I can try to answer them. And if you have any video requests, especially with the May SAT coming up soon, definitely be sure to comment in the boxes as well, just to ask any questions there. And I'll try to make a video as fast as I can. But other than that, we'll just look forward to seeing you in the next video, and good luck studying. Take care.